Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove and uninstall the Grammarly extension from the Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then select mo lang yung 3-dot icon, so click mo lang siya. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung extensions. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Manage Extensions. So, click mo lang dito. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa ating Google Chrome Extensions. So, na dito lahat yung all extensions added dito. And then, kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung Grammarly extension. So, ito siya. Okay, so kung paano ba ito i-remove or uninstall, makikita mo dito yung details and then yung remove. Okay, so click mo lang to remove. Kung ayaw mo naman itong i-remove or uninstall, pwede mo naman i-turn off itong kanyang button. Okay, so click mo lang siya, turn on or turn off mo siya, ganito. Right? And then next, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung remove. So click mo lang dito. And then pop-up ito mga kaibigan. And then click mo lang tong remove. And then madadirect tayo dito sa may mga question lang dito na kailangan lang natin sagutin para successful yung pag-remove natin dito sa Grammarly extension. Okay, so select ka lang dito mga kaibigan. So click mo lang siya. And then pwede ka naman mag-write dito kung anong kailangan i-improve yung Grammarly, kung bakit mo siya i-remove. Okay, and then click mo lang tong submit. Ayan, so ganito lang kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin remove or uninstall ang Grammarly extensions from the Google Chrome web browser. Why? So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.